Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are fine, and I welcome all the students of Standard 7 for the English class. I am going to handle FL English subject to your class. So, before starting the portion, I would like to introduce the syllabus. There are 8 units, in which 8 are prose and 8 are poems, including 3 lessons of supplementary. As for my planning, I will finish one lesson and I will go with grammar part. I hope you have understood the syllabus and planning. Now, let's start a new lesson, that is the first lesson of syllabus. The lesson name is A Tiger in the House. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Before we go to the lesson, let us know about the author in brief. Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May in the year of 1934 in Kasoli of Himachal Pradesh. He received Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1992 and Padma Shri Award in the year 1999 for his contribution to children's literature. Padma Shri Award, it is one of the prestigious awards in our India. So my dear students, till now we came to know about the author Ruskin Bond. Now we shall have a glance on the meanings of this lesson. Our first word is abandoned. The meaning of abandoned is left completely and forever. In Kannada it is Tejisu Pittu Bidu. Next word is veterinarian. Doctor trained to treat sick animals. Prani Vaidya, Pashu Vaidya. Next, expedition, journey for a certain purpose. It is strolling, or in Kannada it is yatre. Tempting, attracting, ಉತ್ತೇಜಿಸು ಆಕರ್ಷಕವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ. Next word, mongrel, dog whose parents were of different breeds. Mishtrataliya. Different breeds is Mishtrataliya. It is a dog, mongrel. Spring, move quickly, jump, jiggy ಅಥವಾ putty. Ridiculously, that is funny, absurd, ಹಾಸ್ಯಾಸ್ಪದವಾದ. Next word, absurd dashes, a sudden quick run that looked funny. It is running somewhere suddenly. Amusement, something that Timothy enjoyed doing. About Timothy I will tell you later. Amusement is ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಟ, ಖುಷಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮನರಂಜನೆ. Crafty look, cleverly deceitful look. Deceitful is ಉಪಾಯದ. Here cleverly deceitful look is ಉಪಾಯದ ನೋಟ. Retriever, middle sized hunting dog. It is ಬೇಟೆನಾಯಿ. Retriever is ಬೇಟೆನಾಯಿ. Gave a wide berth. It is phrasal verb. So this is a phrase, stayed at a safe distance. ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು. Prophetic manner of saying things in advance. Saying things in advance, ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವುದು, ಮುಂದಿನದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ. Frenzied, here it is extremely disturbed. ಬುದ್ಧಿಭ್ರಮೆ, ಉನ್ಮಾದ ಅಥವಾ ಆವೇಶ, completely disturbed. Our next word is stalk. Stalk is follow quietly as if hunting. It is ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸುವುದು. Stalk is ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸುವುದು. Had been interned, having been put under restriction, ಬಂಧನದಲ್ಲಿರುವುದು. Snarled, ಸಿಡುಗುಟ್ಟು, showed the teeth and made a deep angry noise in the throat, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗುರಾಯಿಸುವುದು. ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಾಗ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗುರಾಯಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is snarled. Alarm, fear, ಭಯ, ಹೆದರುವುದು. Testily, it is impatiently, ಅಸಹನೆ, ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ. Realized, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಡ್. ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬುವುದು. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲಿಶ್, ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್, ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ರುಚಿಸುವುದು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ನ್ಫುಲ್ ಲುಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ನೋಡು. ಡಿಸ್ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಆಟ್ something. This is our vocabulary part. Let's move on to the lesson, children. Before starting the lesson, I would like to clear the concept of the lesson. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. A forest guard is holding a pair of cheetah cubs in his hands. What is the forest guard holding in his hand? He is holding cheetah cubs. A forest guard ತನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೀತಾ ಕಬ್ಸನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He is holding. Poor things, they were abandoned by their mother. Abandoned, just now I told you, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದು. ಅದರ ತಾಯಿಯ ಚೀತಾ ಕಬ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ಲು. Why did she do that? ಅವಳು ಆ ಥರ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? We don't know. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. But what will happen? What will this man do with them? ಆದರೆ ಈ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆ ಕಬ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? He will take them to his officer who will send them to a veterinarian for a checkup. ಈ ಕಬ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅವನ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Who was veterinarian? He will check. The doctor will tell their age and the state of their health. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅದರ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಚೀತಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಪರ್ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಚೀತಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಡೂ ಯು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಚೀತಾಸ್ ಟು ಹಂಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್? ನಿಮಗಿದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು? ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಚೀತಾಸ್ ಟು ಹಂಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಅವರು ಚೀತಾಸನ್ನು ಡಿಯರ್ನ ಹಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚೀತಾಸನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ಪುವರ್ ಕಬ್ಸ್ ನಾವ್? ಆದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕಬ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಇಂಥ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? So my dear children, now imagine you are in the place of guard. If you find some wild animal cubs, what will you do? Will you carry them to home or will you hand over to the department? What if ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ the department is not near? The other option will be left, that is to carry the cubs to your home. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, when you enter your home, when you show these wild animals to your family members, how they will react? ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? In the same way, title tells us a tiger in the house. Who is the author? Ruskin Bond. Someone carried a tiger cub to the house. Who is that person? When we read the lesson, we will come to know. Let's start with the first paragraph. Timothy the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. At first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk given to him in a feeding bottle by our cook Mahmood. But the milk proved too rich for him and he was put on diet of raw mutton and cod liver oil, to be followed later by a more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. ಈ ಪಾಠವು ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ರಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ರವರ ತಾತ ಬೇಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಲಿ ಮರಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ತಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಆ ಹುಲಿಮರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಟಿಮೋತಿ ಎಂದು ಹೆಸರಿಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆನ್ ಹಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಡಿಷನ್. ಬೇಟೆಯಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು? ತೆರಾಯಿ ಜಂಗಲ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದೆಹ್ರಾ. ಅಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ? ಟಿಮೋತಿ. ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ ಕುಕ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಹಮೂದ್ ಅನ್ನೋನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಟಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಉಣಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. A grandfather of Ruskin Bond is very fond of keeping pets at home. What happened? This lesson starts with the incident. What is that incident? He went to hunting. He went for hunting in Terai jungle. A grandfather of Ruskin Bond was strolling in the forest, that is Terai jungle near Dehradun. So when grandfather was moving in dense forest, he discovered a small little cub near the tree. Soon after seeing the little cub, grandfather picked up the cub in his hands. He is very affectionate towards the animals. He felt bad that it was abandoned by her mother cheetah. He felt bad it was left alone in the forest. Later, grandfather carried the cub to his house. Then grandmother named the cub Timothy. Since it is Catholic Christian family, so tiger cub was named Timothy. The grandparents started to look after it. Their servant Mahmoud, what he did? He was feeding the little cub with the milk in a bottle. But the milk was not suitable for it, to that cub. Why? Because it too very rich. The cub was not able to sustain with the energy of the milk, because milk was very high nutrient. So grandparents thought of to prefer another diet to Timothy. That diet was raw mutton and cod liver oil. Cod liver oil, it is one kind of fish oil. So grandparents thought of to prefer another diet to Timothy, that diet was raw meat and cod liver oil. Not only this, along with that, some pigeons and rabbits also added in the diet. This was all about the food of the cub. Let's see the second paragraph. Timothy was provided with two companions. Toto the monkey, who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. See here, students, Timothy was provided with two companions. ಟಿಮೋತಿಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರು. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗಾರರು. In the second paragraph, we came to know about that Timothy was not alone in the house. He had two companions. One is Toto, the monkey, which was very mischievous and naughty, who was always pulling up the tail of the tiger. ಆ ಕೋತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್ದ ಬಾಲವನ್ನು ಎಳಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಜಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. He used to pull the young tigers by the tail and then climb up curtains if Timothy lost his temper. ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್ದು ಬಾಲ ಎಳೆದದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು? ಟೈಗರ್ ಕಬ್ ಅದರ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ, ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಕರ್ಟನ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಕರ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಟಿಮೋತಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾನಿಯನ್ ವಾಸ್? The second companion was Puppy, which was also brought up by the grandfather. It was a small mongrel puppy found on the road by grandfather. Understood, my dear students? Timothy was not alone. He was provided with two companions. Those are Toto and Puppy. So, now I would like to conclude today's session. What we studied in this class? We came to know about the syllabus and started a new lesson, that is a tiger in the house, which is written by Ruskin Bond. in which we came to know about grandfather and about Timothy and his two companions. They are Toto and Mongrel puppy. Next section, I will continue the same lesson. And your today's homework is read the paragraph keenly, and I will send the difficult words in group. Your work is to find out the meanings in English as well in Kannada. See here in this image, what is that monkey doing? That monkey is pulling up the tail of tiger. So for you, one more homework is, see here, some questions are there. You can find answers of these questions in first two paragraphs which I taught you today. The first question is, when did grandfather discover the tiger cub? Who named him Timothy? Timothy anta yaar hesaru kotru? When did grandfather discover the tiger? Grandfather ge tiger yavag siktu tiger cub? Who fed him? What was Timothy's diet? Timothy's diet ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಆ ಟಿಮೋತಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಫೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು? Second question is, who were Timothy's two companions? How did they show him that they were not afraid of him? Timothy's two companions ಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ರು? ಇಬ್ರು ಜೊತೆಗಾರರು ಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ರು? How did they show him that they were not afraid of him? ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆದರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್, Timothy was more friendly with Toto than with the puppy. True or not true? This is true or not true. You have to write that. Okay, I hope you know the answers. Okay, my dear children, I will continue the same lesson in next section. Till that, you take good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.